Alright guys, welcome to video 1, the territories. So as we discussed earlier, there are three states in this market. So first, this is called sideways, where big boys are building the order. Second, trending market. And the third, this is a channel market. So here in this area, big boys are building the order, so we cannot do anything here. Next, they are closing their position. That means we don't want to do anything in this area. So let me explain first the territory. So this is called buyer and seller territory. Let me show you in the live chart. So now this is Bank Nifty. Now you can see buyer push the market to this level. So means this is from here, this point to this point, this is called buyer territory. So in between this area, we are looking for buy only. All right, later we'll discuss how we enter. Okay, so first you understand the territory. So next, from here to this level, that is the buyer territory. We are not looking for short. If we sell here, this is like example. All right, we are looking for buy only. So after that, you can see seller are dominated, and they form their own territory. So from here to this level, we are looking for sell only. Okay, this is seller territory. Again, I can see another seller territory from here to this level, means from here to here, whole seller territory. So once price goes between this seller territory, so we are looking for sell only. We are not looking for buy anymore. Okay. So next, this is the seller territory. Have you seen seller territory? So we are looking for short. We are looking for a short. Okay. So this is the seller territory. So next here you can see that was seller territory, but not able to break, and again create a new. Now you can see buyer are dominating. Okay, this is the buyer territory. This is the buy opportunity. Again, this is the buyer territory. We are looking for buy only. This is the buyer territory. From here to here, we are looking for buy only. So later here you can see that territory controlled by seller, and this is the seller territory. We are looking for short. And another, this is the seller territory. We are looking for short only. This is the purely seller territory. So we don't want to buy, and in between this area, no indicator will work for you if you are going for buy. So that is why we are looking for buy only after find out the seller or buyer territory. If we see this is the buyer territory, we are looking for buy only. If this is the seller territory, we just waiting and we are looking for short only.